Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company MyFirstWig, and this is going to be a straight out of the box review. I am going to be showing you their highlight ombre wavy lace front wig. This one is going to be in the length 20 inches. It's 130% in density, and the texture on this is silky. It does come already pre-styled for you. You get your two combs on the side, a comb in the back, your adjustable straps, and you also get the area where you can put the removable elastic band. And I just want to show you the parting space area. It's like a T part, but I feel like MyFirstWigs, their parting space is a little bit more wider, which is really nice. And it already comes with pre-bleached knots and a pre-plucked hairline. I practice what I preach. They like a put around my way, think it lost to see. Not sure what you wanted, but I'm what you need. I know my high just started, but I hit. So this is a cap size one, which fits me really good. And I did go ahead and put that removable elastic band on. Just gonna go ahead and work on cutting off my lace. You guys know you get your nice Swiss transparent lace that has been tinted. So I'm not gonna have any problems with blending it in. Now right here, I am going in and plucking out some more hairs in the front. Now, I wish that it would have been plucked out a little bit better, but it doesn't take me long to get some of the hair out to make it look a little bit more open. So it's totally up to you if you want to do this, but you can wear this unit straight out of the box. It took me no time to pluck out exactly what I needed to because I didn't want to pluck out too much. And I'm just going to work on cutting off the rest of this lace. And then also when it's time to get to the side, the band was kind of digging into the top of my ear. So I'm going to push that back a little bit on the side and just place some bobby pins right there to keep it in place because I'm not really focused on the sides anyway. And then I'm going to just take out some hairs in the front because I do want to create some baby hairs. Of course, if you are not a fan of baby hairs, you can totally skip this step. And then I'm going to be using this new wax stick. I know it's kind of balling up, y'all, but this is a new wax stick and sometimes it does do that. So I'm just going to place that wax around the front of the hairline and also at the top, and then just begin to smooth it out with my Kendras Boutique Hotcomb. All of the products that I am using in this video can be found down below in the description area. I'm gonna be focusing on a glueless install, so I'm gonna be using the She Is Bomb Fuse Foam. You guys have seen me use this before. This is a really good foam to make sure that your lace is laid down and melted in. Now, I'm not gonna put the foam all the way around, so I just took a little bit and put it on my comb and just put it in that lace area in between the baby hairs that I wanted to create. And then I'm gonna be using that foam also to mold my baby hairs on the side because I want them to really be nice and soft. And this definitely gets the job done. You don't have to worry about it moving and it stays in place. Make sure that the lace stays secure and doesn't move. I'm going to be putting on my melt band from the company Sochar. And yes, I did put it on backwards, but it still got the job done. And then I'm going to begin to comb out this hair. Now, because this hair did come pre-curled already, I definitely had to use this wide tooth comb to get that curls out. Now, this says it is only 130%, but guys, you let me know what you think. I feel like it looks a little bit thicker than 130. Y'all let me know. But I'm going to just be adding some curls in the front using my big barrel wand curler. And that's just to kind of bring it to life because this hair has some barrel curls in it, but it definitely dropped from being in the package. So I'm only having to focus in the very front. Took me no time to get this hair curl because I only focused on the front. Once I am done, I'm just going to add a little bit more heat at the top just to make sure it's nice and flat. We don't want any type of lumpiness. And then taking my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum and running this throughout the hair. I highly recommend this because this hair does get frizzy. And then I'm just going to take my band off, and you guys see how melted in it looks just using the foam. I feel like it looks good. And then I'm going to add a little bit of powder into the parting space area just to kind of open it up a little bit more. I put a little powder around the hairline. I am done styling this unit. It took me no time to put this wig on. This was pretty much a very easy and simple install, especially because it already came pre-styled. The hair is looking great, and I also love the density on this unit. As far as the T part goes, I believe this will no longer be offered on the website, but this can be found in the lace front version and also the closure version. As far as you can see, the parting space looks good, and now that I have plucked out some more hairs out the hairline, it looks good. And of course, that lace always melts in. Make sure you stay tuned after this to hear my final thoughts on this wig. I'm styling this T-part wig, and it came out really cute. It was a very simple and easy install. You guys see me use the She Is Bomb Fuse Foam. You guys know I love this stuff, especially if you want a glueless install that is going to stick and still look very natural. I kind of picked it up so you guys can see that I didn't use anything else. Now, I did have to go in and bobby pin my side, and the reason why is because where the ear tab part is, it is very uncomfortable, and it was digging in my ear. So I didn't want to keep having to try to bring it up, so I just kind of tucked this part behind my ear and then just bobby pin it. But I feel like it still looks really good, so I only really focus in this front area, and I think it looks fine. Now, I did have to go in and pluck out some hair in the front area just because I felt like even though it looked good, it could have been plucked out a little bit more to make it look more natural. And I didn't even go in as hard. I just took out a little bit of hair in the front to kind of open it up a little bit more. Now, if I had it on my mannequin head, I would have been able to pluck it out a little bit better, but I feel like what I did definitely got the job done. I had no problems with laying the lace down. This already comes pre-bleached, so you don't have to worry about going in and bleaching the knots. I did go ahead and add some powder in this parting space area too, just to kind of open it up a little bit more. Now, on some T parts, the parting space is so thin, but I feel like with MyFirstWig, they gave you a good amount of parting space area. So if you wanted to kind of move it over a little bit, I think you will be good to go. You don't have to worry about it being so slim and unnatural looking. Also laid down some baby hairs in the front. Of course, if you're not a fan of baby hairs, then you can definitely skip that process, but I wanted them to look really nice and clean. So just a little bit right here on the side and some right here. And you could just kind of comb it out a little bit just to kind of make them look more wispy and natural looking, so it's not laying like on your head like that. That's how I like to do them. See, I feel like that looks just a little bit better. But yeah, it all came together really well. Now, as far as this hair goes, this hair to me is on the drier side, so you are gonna have to condition. Now, they did include in the package this leave-in wig conditioning spray, so it's supposed to smooth, moist, and soften it. And I do feel like this helped out a lot, especially towards the end where I noticed it was more drier at. And I also am getting some snags more towards the ends of this hair, but you can wear this straight out of the package. I did kind of refresh the curls just in the front area, but in the back, I didn't go in and do anything because I didn't really feel the need to. But you see they have these like big barrel curls in the unit. I just wanted to add a little bit more curls to kind of frame my face. Density on this is really nice. As you guys can see, it looks pretty full when I turn around. I will probably go in and layer it a little bit more just for my face. The color on this is nice. You get that nice little highlight in the front. This is definitely like a summer type of color. I mean, you can wear any color all year round, but this is when I would wear it most during this time. And I think they did a really good job with this. It blends in very well. So with this wig, I did notice some shorter hairs at the top, and there's like some long shorter hairs that were sticking out a lot. So I used the She Is Bomb hair wax stick. Also, I just went and picked this up, but they do have some flyaway tamer on their website, but I wanted to try out a new product, and I feel like it laid it down really well. Lays nice and flat. You're not gonna have to worry about any type of humpiness. And like I said, the hair is full. The length on this is nice. that's about it. I'm trying to think if I have anything else to add. I did notice some frizziness throughout the hair, so you definitely want to make sure to go in with your serum because this is a silky texture, just to keep it nice and sleek. Other than that, guys, I kind of pre-styled this already, so I didn't have to go in and do too much to it. But let me know what you guys think about this color, if you are feeling the curls, and what do you guys think about this T part. If you are feeling this unit, I'm going to make sure to leave all the links down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.